morning, my dear lovely friends. Today I am here with one of the topic of paper 6, The Second Coming, written by W.B. Yeats. So let's start the video with without wasting our time. So we are going to discuss objective questions here. My first question is, who wrote the poem The Second Coming? Answer is William Butler Yeats. When was the poem The Second Coming written? In 1919. When was the poem The Second Coming printed for the first time? In November 1920. What are the some major themes of the poem The Second Coming? What are the major themes of that? So answer is violence, prophecy and meaningless. Next question is, Spiritus Mundi is a word of which language? Answer Latin. Which historical event do most critics believe this poem is specifically referred to? Answer the Bolshevik Revolution. Next question. What book of Bible does the term the second coming originate from? Answer is Revelations. What does the falcon symbolize in the second coming? Answer is human race, vision and freedom. How many lines are there in the poem? There are 22 lines in the poem. So answer is 22. What type of poem is the second coming? So this poem is written in blank verse. Answer is blank verse. What is the meter of the poem? Iambic pentameter. What does jar means? That is important reoccurring symbol in Yeats poetry. Answer alteration between two historical cycles. Next question, what are some poetic devices used in the poem? So you can write here alliteration, allusion, antithesis, anaphora, assonance, enjambment, metaphor and epistrophe. Which author tried a novel after a quote from the second coming? So answer is Chinua Achebe, a Nigerian novelist and poets. Next question, what do the words blank and pitiless as the sun refers to? Answer the Sphinx gaze. What perspective is the poem written from? Answer first person. When was W.B. Yeats born? So answer is 1865. When did the Second Coming published? It was published in 1921. Next question, what was the name of magazine in which the Second Coming printed? This is a very important question and the answer is The Dial. What was the name of collections in which the poem was published? So answer is Michael Robarts and the Dancer. Next question, when was the Nobel Prize in Literature awarded to W.B. Yeats? Answer 1923. Was W.B. Yeats an American poet? No, he was an Irish poet. Always remember he was an Irish poet. What does the second coming mean? The second coming means second coming of Jesus Christ. When was this poem written? So when World War was going on, this poem was written at that time. That's all. Thank you for watching and keep learning.